Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another Easter project to use up those fabric scraps. Today we're making this cute quilted carrot bunting. This simple fabric garland's an easy way to decorate your space for Easter, spring, or even your summer garden. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com, where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this project with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable carrot templates. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own carrot bunting today. I've added a link in the description below this video to where you can find it. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a backing fabric, fabric strips for the carrot fronts, green fabric for the carrot tops, cotton batting, pinking shears, a clothesline cord or jute, basting spray, and of course the printable templates. First, place the backing fabric right side down. Place the batting on top and align the edges. Use a basting spray or powder and baste the batting and backing together to reduce shifting during stitching. Place a fabric strip along the bottom edge of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place a second fabric strip on top of the first with the right side of the fabric facing down and pin in place. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press it open. Place another strip on top of that last strip with its right side facing down. Pin it in place and stitch along that long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Continue adding strips until you reach the end of the batting. Trim off the excess strips and the excess batting from the edges of the piece. Now cut out your templates. Arrange the carrot templates on the fabric so you have plenty of space outside the paper. Pin in place. And rough cut around the templates at least 1/2 inch from the paper's edge. Be sure to align the templates so the direction of the strip falls across the carrot. Stitch each carrot by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Follow the same steps to cut out and sew carrots from the rest of the fabric piece. And then use pinking shears or pinking blade to trim at least a 1/4 inch outside those stitching lines. For the tops, fold the green fabric strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other and press to make a crease. Place the template on the fold of the fabric and cut out those carrot tops. The carrot top notches are also cut out when the template is placed up against the fold. Place the raw edges of the carrot top on the back of the carrot and stitch across the carrot's previous top stitching to secure the carrot top in place. Place the tops over the clothesline cord or jute and space them out evenly and arrange them as desired. Tie a loop on each end of the cord for hanging. And just like that, just that fast, we have this cute quilted carrot fabric garland to decorate for Easter or spring or summer. It's a fun way to use up your fabric scraps. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one with digital patterns that you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.